Experiencing HDMI detection problems with your Lenovo dock? Here's how to diagnose it. First, ensure your dock has sufficient power, with 90 watts recommended. Faulty HDMI cables are common culprits, so test with a certified HDMI 2.0 cable. Outdated display drivers, such as Intel UHD graphics or NVIDIA GeForce, can prevent detection, so update them via Device Manager. Finally, make sure your dock's firmware is up to date using Lenovo Vantage or the support website. AI-assisted diagnostics in Lenovo Vantage can automatically scan for HDMI-related issues and suggest fixes, so be sure to give it a try. These steps address the most common causes of HDMI detection failures. If basic checks fail, start by uninstalling and reinstalling your display drivers. This resolves driver mismatches that prevent HDMI detection. Reset the dock by unplugging it and holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears power and port configurations. Check Windows Display Settings or macOS System Preferences to see if the external display is recognized. Adjust resolution and refresh rates if needed. For ThinkPad X1 Carbon users, ensure firmware version 1.3.4 or later is installed. Inspect the HDMI port for physical damage like bent pins or cracks. Some older docks, pre-2022, may have hardware degradation. Consider replacement if other fixes fail. Contact Lenovo support, as they can often resolve issues remotely. Stay up to date with the latest firmware releases to avoid recurring problems. Check user forums such as Reddit's r/Lenovo or Spiceworks for community-based troubleshooting.